this one is kind of strange, but super useful if you do contact type moves. You're going to hold your arm like this, making a square here, and the stick is going to stall on it like that. It's never made that sound before, but it's going to stall on it like that. So to do that, from the tick-tock, when you hit it over and it's stalled on your stick, before you hit it back to the other side, you're going to bring it, instead of in a propeller move, you're going to bring it in a helicopter move halfway around, and you're just going to absorb the momentum with your arm. So, back and forth, helicopter boom, set it down, and then you can hit it back off. So tick-tock, half, whoosh, full contact. So it looks cool to go from one side to the other side. So it looks cool to go from one side to the other side, to the other side, or if you have it stalled up there, you can put your other arm the same way, and you're just going to hit here, roll on your neck, and shift around to the other side, and so you can actually do this body roll from side to side. But that looks more like this. Chicken wing. Over to there. You can bounce it over to the other side, transport it in the center, roll it around your neck. Just a good technique to have in your bag. Oh, tricks. All about cradling the momentum. And back and forth is a doozy.